Is it time to buy or sell KULR Technology Group stock? In this video, we will explore KULR Technology Group in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even deeper analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 8th day of May in the year 2025, our system has rated KULR Technology Group as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.77. Now, let's examine the stock's performance over this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 10.45% since we initially recommended purchasing KULR Technology Group 6 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.74% per day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $1.57 will initially indicate a slower rate of decline, but it may also signal the beginning of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 14.82% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a decrease of 46.83% to a decrease of 9.54%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 54.26%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 32.09% to 477.85% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $1.95 and $8.55. Our latest daily update for KULR Technology Group includes the headline: KULR Technology Group Inc. stock price took a fall of 8.07% on Thursday. The KULR Technology Group Inc. stock price fell by 8.07% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, dropping from $1.61 to $1.48. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 8.11%, with a day low at $1.48 and a day high of $1.60. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 16.54% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is a positive indicator, as volume should typically follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 8 million shares, with a total of 19 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $28.56 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $5.49, while the lowest price was 20 cents. Currently, the price is 73.04%, or $4.01, below the 52-week high of $5.49, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. KULR Technology Group has recently garnered attention due to several developments that may impact its stock price in both the short and long term. On the 15th of May, the company conducted its first quarter earnings call, reflecting ongoing communication with investors following promising fourth quarter results for 2024. This transparency is essential for building investor confidence and can lead to price stability or growth if the earnings indicate sustained performance. Additionally, KULR secured a grant of $6,700,000 from the Texas Space Commission to advance its KULR One space battery platform. This not only underscores the company's commitment to innovation in the aerospace sector, but also strategically positions it in an industry anticipated to see significant growth, which could enhance stock performance. In another promising venture, KULR announced a partnership with German Bionic to enter the high-growth robotics market. This diversification could attract new investors, increasing the stock's appeal. Furthermore, KULR's CEO participated in the Strategy World 2025 conference, further elevating the company's profile in the emerging AI and Bitcoin landscapes. While some recent analyses have described KULR as an overvalued Bitcoin entity, the ongoing investments in advanced technologies and strategic partnerships suggest a broader potential that could stabilize and even improve its market position over time. In conclusion, if KULR successfully capitalizes on these developments, it could experience positive effects on its stock price in both the immediate and long-term future. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned KULR a buy rating, accompanied by an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned KULR Technology Group stock a general sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also categorized as strong sell. For return on investment, analysts have issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for KULR Technology Group. KULR Technology Group Incorporated stock displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal exists due to the short-term average being above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support may be found at levels of $1.45 and $1.31. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which could impact the short-term outlook. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, March 17, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by approximately 15.91%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivot showed a sell signal 43 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average generated a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average also produced a buy signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 5 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average had a sell signal 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 46 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for KULR Technology Group. KULR Technology Group Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $1.46. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock experiences significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 12 cents between its highest and lowest points, representing an increase of 8.11%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 8.09%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for KULR Technology Group, let us briefly review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This vital metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established firms can face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. Nevertheless, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and pose risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 11th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for KULR Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for KULR Technology Group is at $1.57. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. Conversely, On the downside, KULR Technology Group encounters its first support level at $1.46. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for KULR Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 31st of March, 2025, Cantor Sean conducted an insider sale of 99,857 shares of common stock. On the 16th of January, 2025, Carpenter Michael Gerald conducted an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 16th of January, 2025, Mo Michael conducted an insider purchase of 2 million shares of common stock. On the 16th of January, 2025, Mo Michael also conducted an insider purchase of 270,000 shares of Series A preferred stock. On the 16th of January, 2025, Walker William Quinn conducted an insider purchase of 1 million shares of common stock. Based on the 69 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 61.757. Overall, insiders purchased a total of 21,844,801 shares and sold 9,328,136 shares in the last 69 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $1.39, reflecting a decrease of 5.84%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 42 days ago. Is KULR Technology Group stock a good buy? KULR Technology Group Inc. presents several positive signals. However, we do not consider these sufficient for a buy recommendation. At the current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may want to maintain or accumulate their shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation of this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 16th of May, we anticipate that KULR Technology Group will open higher by 4 cents and begin trading at $1.52. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.